So just a little short for you guys. So this is what we have to do when we testing a bypass circuit. You want something to switch on and then do a delayed switch off. So we have a transistor, right? So when you apply power with the test light, and that goes on, it stays on. Right? So when you want to take off the socket, and power is removed, and the socket goes off. Alright. This is a bypass circuit. You can use it for delayed switches for your radio. So for your radio, you could also use it to turn on a relay and turn it off as you so please. All right.